All right, what up? This is my 2016 Rocky Mountain Thunderbolt. It's a cross-country bike that I've slackened out a little bit. Got the Fox float, 34s up front, race face components pretty much everywhere else. Got my trusty American flag, Minion SS's in the rear, Minion DHF in the front. Race face pedals, handlebars, some fresh race face grips. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. I put some air in my forks, put some air in my tires, and hope she don't fall apart on the trails. That's pretty much it. Road biking. I don't know, sometimes you just gotta throw some spandex on and put some miles in. You know, you gotta build them calf muscles up for the trails. My bike would probably be a girl, just because I don't like to ride guys. Dog, I guess. My bike has no name. That's probably a good idea though. I should get to thinking about that one. I guess we can call her Rocky.
Creative.
For now. I'll get back to you on that one. Gotta go with Talladega at Windrock Bike Park. Super flowy, super quick, lots of air. It's a sick trail.
Now, the little exercise I just did is called, basically, the straight eighth feel.
Wow, look at them go up.